Sir, man, y'all see it. We done pulled up. We got Cherry outside, and we got the man on the plane right here. Hey.
Made never late, man. Make escape, man. You know what's going on.
They know what time it is. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. It's Sunday, man. We about to get some fun in today. I hope y'all checked out the video earlier. We was in the garage getting that work in. I explained everything with the giveaway because I'm telling y'all, it's almost about to be over with. We're going live this Friday, 3/31/23. So make sure you get in to win it. We're giving away the truck plus both of the bikes we didn't build, man. So understand that. All you got to do to enter the win right now is get you a last call SLIDN sticker for $25 and get you 25 spots. After that, it's a wrap. So get in to win it while you can, man, because I'm telling you, this thing is looking good. Y'all see what's going on, man. This thing gets beefed up with the lift kit, got the tires, everything you need, man. I'm telling you. We're gonna have a bike and a back, man. I'm telling you, the Roadglide is about to be complete. We're about to get this thing away with our 2019 Roadglide for first place. Second place is gonna be our 2015, and then we got third place we haven't announced yet, but I'm telling you, get in to win it while you can, man. We slide in, not hiding. Yes, sir, man. We done finally made it to LA, man. We got these boxes in the back, man, from the homie. I gotta go ahead and get these to the crib. But like I said, we're about to get some content in today, man. My boy about to let me slide the bike for like an hour or two, so get some of this sun. Y'all know your boy that moved away from the beach, so I can't pull up like I used to, but it's all good. That's why I be glad I got solid people around me to be able to do these type of things. So I'm telling you, it's all love at the end of the day, and most importantly, I'll reciprocate the energy if it was the other way around. So like I said, man, we're about to get this slide on. Stay tuned, y'all. Hold on. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it. We done pulled up. We got Cherry outside. I ain't gonna tell y'all what's up in it, but y'all gonna see me slide one time. And we got the man on the plane right here. Hey, tell him, hey, don't do it bad, huh?
Yeah. It made never late, man. Make escape, man. You know what's going on.
They know what time it is. Y'all see it, man. The homie let me ride the joint, man. Y'all see what time it is. We about to get it in. We got the chrome shining. Hey, what'd he say? Don't make them pass out.
Don't make them pass out, man.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Yes, sir. We sliding, man. Shout out to the homie, man. He let me slide for a minute. Man, I had zero content for y'all, but I had the time of my life slide for the little time I had. For real.
Make it make sense.
Definitely got to make it make sense, man. We waiting on this goddamn Uber. That nigga really passed us up. Went the whole wrong way. What up, YouTube, man? We back out here the next day, Monday, man. We got to make it happen. Today is a week of greatness. You already know we're going live this Friday, 3/31/23. So make sure you enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, man, because I'm telling you, we're about to be giving away these bikes paired together with my truck, and we also got a surprise third place for the winner. But you got to wait till the day of the giveaway, man. So I'm telling you, get in the winner right now. If you have not done it, we're completely sold out with all the merch. We sold out of all the keychains, hats, and patches, man. The only thing we have left is some last call SLIDN stickers at $25 for 20 spots. So make sure you get in to win to secure yours, because I'm telling you, this Friday we're going live giving them away. So make sure you stay tuned for that. In the meantime, between time, I got all the last of the packages coming for both of these bikes, so they're going to be 100% complete. So that's why I'm trying to get everything going, so Friday when we give them away, we'll be able to have the winners come and claim them. So that's the main thing. We're trying to execute and get everything on the way to what it needs to be. But like I said, man, if you want to enter the win right now, get you a last call SLIDN sticker at $25 in the description below at BuiltByDre.BigCartel.com, because it's only oh so many left. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got the bikes in the garage looking good. I don't know if y'all tuned into my live today, but we went live this morning showing y'all everything. We got the motor on there. I got to get these gaskets from Harley right there. Once I do that, I'm gonna put the inner primary with everything, and that's going to be complete. I'm gonna head to the rim shop today. Hopefully I get to leave with them. So I can't wait, man. I'm telling you, this thing is about to be 100% complete. I just found out Antonio still had this piece from when he painted this bike, so I should be picking that up when I get this painted either today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. I'm telling y'all, they're about to be complete this week. I know it look a little crazy, but I'm telling y'all, everything is on the way. I got the harness with all the parts powder coated over there, so these about to be 100% complete. But like I said, stay tuned, man. We about to head to the city. I gotta drop my boy A2 everything's regular paint set off to Antonio, so he about to have y'all wet up. So stay tuned for that. I'm telling y'all, man, it's game time. We supplying it, because I'm telling you, summer is here. It's game time. They got Arizona this weekend coming up. That's why I said we're going live this Friday. Imagine if you got into win to the Silver Bullet giveaway and you literally won, and you get to go to Arizona in something new, slide like the truck and the bike, or even second place with the bike. I'm telling you, you never know till you get in to win it, because it just may be your day, man. I'm telling you. But shout out to everybody who supported and believing in your boy with the plan since day one, since we've been giving them away, because it's been a long time coming. But like I said, we about to get to it and be on our way, man. So stay tuned. We slide in, not hiding, y'all. Yes, sir, man. We got everything locked and loaded, man. Stuff is bust down to the T. But yes, sir, we're about to head to Antonio, drop my boy paint set off, and then I'll be able to go ahead and check on my paint set for our second place right there. So understand that. We're about to go ahead and do that and go to the rim shop. So today is about to work out in the most perfectest way. I cannot wait because Friday is going to be the game day. That's why I say get into winning while you can, man, because I'm telling you, we're about to go up and make it happen, man. But that's going to be a wrap for this video. I'm about to go ahead and get dressed and get the day started. So stay tuned, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, tuning in with your boy. We slide now hiding, man.